The Nutrition and Food Services team at Bant Mineral Springs Hospital is a model of compassion as it serves meals to patients, residents, families, and staff. The team believes that creating a complete dining experience is more important than simply serving a meal to eat. The team customizes trays for cultural reasons, religion, or personal preferences, and regularly goes above and beyond to ensure the meal is not only nutritional, but brings joy and comfort. During Christmas brunch, the team spends extra time socializing with each resident, and one of the chefs has even dressed up as Santa. The team also provides care to the community through its work with Meals on Wheels. In 2018, the team delivered more than 1,400 meals to elderly residents of Banff. Carleen Nelson is a registered nurse at St. Mary's Hospital, and her compassionate nature has an impact on all patients and staff of Unit 4. Not only does Carleen provide quality care to patients and their families, she put the time and effort into becoming a neonatal resuscitation instructor so she could share her knowledge with other staff members. In this role, she not only provides compassionate care to babies, but also helps staff feel confident in their abilities. Carleen runs code drills, educates staff on new policy and procedures, and makes sure everyone is familiar with the equipment. A valued caregiver, Carleen is a warm and caring mentor to staff who makes new nurses feel comfortable and encourages everyone to do their best.
As the Administrative Resident Care Manager at Edmonton General, Shirley Kaczmarek brings compassion into every aspect of her work with residents, their families, and her co-workers. Shirley has developed close relationships with both colleagues and the people she cares for. Her strong belief that a positive attitude is important for healing has led Shirley to go above and beyond to keep up residents' spirits. Shirley's compassion helped an overwhelmed long-term resident adjust to an upcoming move to a new unit. Shirley supported her through the process, helping her pack and even volunteering her own family to move the residents' items. Shirley connects with residents and staff at their own level and brings hope and dignity to everyone she encounters.
Undergoing hospital testing, like bone scans and cancer tests, can be a scary experience for anyone. But for patients who encounter Joan Lowry, a nuclear medicine technologist at the Crey Nuns, a dark day becomes a little brighter thanks to her compassion. Joan treats every patient like family. She understands how frightening tests can be, so she gives each patient individual care. She reassures them, answers their questions, listens to their worries, and holds their hand. Joan easily goes out of her way to see that every patient is cared for and makes sure no one has to go through testing alone. Her calm demeanor and easy smile make a big difference in the lives of her patients every day.
Moving a loved one into palliative care can be very difficult. Thanks to the compassion of Celeste Ment, a registered nurse at St. Michael's Health Centre in Lethbridge, that experience is made easier for everyone in her care. Celeste is a grounding force. She recognizes when families are in pain and works hard to alleviate some of their anguish. She makes sure patients are cared for holistically and even strives to fulfill their last wishes, once bringing in a popular singer to visit a patient while the singer was in town. Celeste is always seeking improved ways of providing compassionate care and making the palliative experience better for patients, families, and staff. She shares what she learns so everyone can benefit from her knowledge.
As an LPN on 5 West at the Misericordia Hospital, Aidan extends compassion and caring in all of his encounters with patients and colleagues. Aidan shows sincere appreciation for every interaction, and every patient he comes in contact with leaves feeling not only well cared for, but valued and worthy. Aidan continually receives commendations from patients who feel blessed that he is their caregiver. As a committed team player, Aidan treats his colleagues with the same respect he gives patients. His caring demeanor enables the team to work effectively, even in stressful situations. Aidan is dedicated to caring for others. He clearly loves his career in nursing, and it shows.
As a clinical nurse specialist, Marlene Varga has spent much of her career dedicated to pressure injury prevention and wound care. Her compassion for her patients fuels her passion to educate on and create awareness of a painful and preventable condition. Marlene led the work to develop and roll out a pressure injury prevention program in Covenant Health. She is helping nurses shift their focus from healing the wounds to preventing them, and most importantly, saving patients from the tremendous suffering they bring. Marlene's compassion is clear in the time she spends with patients, in her commitment to keep pressure injury prevention top of mind, and in how she shares her knowledge to improve the lives of patients, residents, and their families. As a healthcare aide on Blue Jay Gardens at St. Joseph's Auxiliary Hospital, Kaori Gisage's compassion is making a difference in the lives of all clients in the Community Day Support Program. Kaori's compassion leads her to recognize those who are struggling the most. She is able to help those clients get past their awkwardness, feel welcome in the program, and make connections with others. Kaori demonstrates respect for the unit's clients with dementia. She understands the likes and dislikes of everyone, and she makes sure they are well groomed and cared for. In return, the people with dementia are drawn to her warm heart and kindness, and the families believe she is truly a treasure. Kaori's compassionate nature rubs off on everyone she works with. As an LPN at St. Therese Villa in Lethbridge, Lowry Thompson's compassion is well known by her coworkers, residents, and their families. Lowry is an advocate for what's right for her residents. She strives to do right by them every single day, whether it's being authentically engaged during conversations, making sure they have what they need, even if it means buying it herself, or taking a wheelchair-bound resident for an outing on her day off. Her care extends to staff who enjoy her baking at meetings and are gifted with flowers on their birthdays. Even complete strangers have been on the receiving end as Lowry came to the rescue of stranded campers during the flooding in southern Alberta.
The leadership team at Villa Caritas has a challenging mandate as it leads the site through significant changes. But even while it navigates change, the team continues to provide compassionate care to seniors experiencing serious mental illness. The team is leading a journey for Villa Caritas to become a center of excellence. That means new challenges, new teams, new patients, and huge learning curves. All the while, the team continues to support its staff in providing the very best care to their patients. Even under trying circumstances, the team excels at pulling together to support staff and each other. As a healthcare aide who shows compassion to all the sisters residing in Unit 3 at Youville Home, it's no coincidence that the sisters she serves describe her as an angel. Hodan is known for her commitment to respect, her confidentiality, and most of all, her compassionate nature. Her smile is contagious, and she is always ready to go above and beyond what's asked of her to ensure the residents are getting the care they need. Her honesty and friendliness are valued and appreciated by the staff and sisters alike, and her compassion and professionalism not only model the values of Covenant Health, but make her a favorite at Youville.